Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to create keyboard macros directly inside your browser using a simple Chrome extension. With this trick, you can type long messages instantly. So let's get started. Firstly, go to your browser, visit Chrome Web Store. Here you will search for Auto Text Expander. The first one is. Now click add to Chrome. I will already edit it. I will remove it. And now again add it to Chrome. Add to Chrome. Then click on add extension. Now you will see it will be added successfully. Go to puzzle icon. Then you can mark it as pin. Firstly, right click on it. Now click on options. Here you will enter the shortcut first, like add. Then here you input the shortcut. Like I want to add 1 2 3, then it will be adding hello, how are you. Now click on save to save it, or if you want to add like links, like I want to add the link. I'm searching google.com, copy this, paste it to there. Now add the shortcut like ggl, then save. Now open any messaging app like Instagram, Gmail, anything. And here we will type like ggl, 1 2 3 for hello, how are you. Firstly, we want to save it. Refresh the page. Click on compose. I will hide my details. Now here I am typing 1 2 3. It will instantly hello, how are you type ggl. It will enable the Google link. Also, we will see more macros like cml for call me later, cml. You will see it will automatically write the full sentence. I will write only the keyword like HPNY for Happy New Year. HPNY. Okay. You can add many as you can. So how are you? Then click on save. Again going. And that's it. This can save a huge amount of time during daily work. So that's how you can create keyboard macros in Google browser easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.